Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create flowcharts easily using ChatGPT and Row.io, two powerful tools that work great together. First, head over to ChatGPT. Once you're there, just type in a request like, can you give me the flowchart of how authentication and auto-authorization works in a web application? ChatGPT will generate a detailed explanation and flowchart steps for you. Next, ask ChatGPT for a mermaid code version of the flowchart by saying, can you give me a mermaid code that I can use in Draw.io based on this flowchart? After ChatGPT provides the mermaid code, simply copy it. Now open Draw.io in your browser. Inside Draw.io, click the plus symbol to add a new shape or diagram, then go to Advanced Options and select Mermaid. Paste the mermaid code you copied from ChatGPT into the mermaid input box, and Draw.io will generate your flowchart instantly. And that's it. You've created a flowchart using ChatGPT to generate a logic and mermaid code, and Draw.io to visualize it. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy diagramming!